Dianne Karg here with 1 Minute 1 Tip. Roundmaille is a great looking chain, and there are lots of different ways to start it, but the most common one is to make a sheet of European 4-in-1 chainmail and then stitch the sides together. Personally, I like to work in the round right from the get-go, so I made myself a little starter with a dowel and some paper clips. Now, there are 3 reasons why I like this starter. First of all, you don't have to fiddle with any of the rings, which can be a little bit challenging to get set up the right way. Second, this is really comfortable in your hand, so that makes it easy to work the weave pattern. And third, if you ever have to walk away from the pattern and then come back to it at a later time, you can figure out where you are in the pattern really easily by just simply turning it upside down. The way to set this up is to attach 3 paper clips around the dowel with a piece of masking tape. The round ends here effectively become your first row, and you attach your next row by weaving 1 ring through 2 prongs here, here, and here. If you found this tip helpful, then please like, share, and comment in the section below, because I always appreciate your feedback about my videos. Then come and join me as a member at thetowelwire.com and learn how to link your head, your heart, and your hands to make beautiful wire jewelry. You can find out more about that by clicking on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you next time.